Hi friends, so this is our lesson 12 on HTML audio. I will teach you in this lesson how to insert audios and what all formats are supported in HTML5 audio tag and on which browser which format is supported and is audio tag supported on all browsers. So I will explain you everything in this video, but you have to watch it till the end to learn the whole concept that I will teach you. Before starting, I will tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video and comment below on it. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section, and also I would say to access my website for the lessons and their source code. Also the video is also posted there. So there I also post my PowerPoint lessons, so you can check them and increase your knowledge, and also you can practice the things I teach you in these lessons. Okay, so let's start. HTML audio tag. HTML audio tag is used to define sounds such as music and other audio clips. This means that there is one HTML audio tag. So in that audio tag, we define the sounds such as music and other audio clips that we will like to play on our web page. Currently, there are 3 supported file formats for HTML5 audio tag. So there are 3 supported file formats, like you can see here. So HTML5 audio tag supports these 3. So they are MP3, WAV and OGG, or I don't know how to spell it the whole. You can check it on the browser. So now let us move on the next thing. HTML5 supports video and audio controls. The Flash, Silverlight and similar technologies are used to play the multimedia items. So you should not focus on it. You just remember that HTML5 supports video and audio controls, and with them we can insert audio and video both on the website or the web page. So now here is a table on which I have written which format is supported on which browsers. So the first browser, so here is the browser, here is these formats. Okay, first one is Internet Explorer. So it supports MP3 but not the other 2. Google Chrome supports all 3. Mozilla Firefox supports all 3. Opera supports WAV and OGG but not MP3. And Apple Safari supports MP3 and WAV but not OGG. Okay, so let's move on the next. You can find all other browsers on which it can work. There are many browsers you can see on the Google Chrome itself, or any browser you can see on. So here is our example of the audio formats, and it is also with the audio format. So you just need to look at them and skim them. I will make you explain the whole code which I have written here when I will go to VS Code. Also I will tell you what code is doing what. Okay, so first I put the audio tag here. So this is the example of MP3, how to play it. And so first is the audio tag, then in the end I have closed it. Okay, I think you know it, how to open and close tags. Okay, in audio I have put an attribute controls. I will tell about it after some time in the video, so you can leave it for now. The second thing is source. Source tag is used to put the source or source code which should be displayed on the web browser. So in the source tag we put 2 attributes, src and type. So in the src attribute we put the file name, and in the type attribute we put which audio file format is it. So like for MP3, MPG format is written, so we will write audio/MPG. If it will not be supporting, then you can know that your browser does not support the HTML audio tag. So you will get to know it as it will get white. So you will not able to access the audio then on the web page. Okay, so then the same is with the OGG and WAV files, but in the both, one thing is different: the SRC and the type. Okay, for MP3 we write audio/MPG in the type. For OGG we write audio/OGG in the type, and for WAV we write audio/WAV in the type. Okay, so you just need to focus on these three things and write or memorize these. Okay, now let's move on audio tag supporting browsers. So all browsers support this audio tag, as you can see. Okay, so now there are 6 attributes in the audio tag. So like I showed you here, one attribute controls. There are 6 attributes like that in the audio tag. The first one is controls. It defines the audio controls which is displayed with play or pause buttons. So let me show you on the VS Code that how will it work. But first let me tell you about the controls attribute. The controls attribute is a boolean attribute. When so it will give the output in 2 things, true or false. If the code is true and the code is fine, then it will display the audio. Otherwise it will display the audio, but we will not able to access the audio on the web page. So in the audio, when we write controls and run the code on the browser, then it shows us these options. So it contains these all options: pause button, play button, volume, and seeking. Okay, so here is our example. Let me show you and make you understand on the VS Code. So here is our project code that we wrote in the last video. I will put and make a new file and name it Akshut11.html. I will save it. I will put the boilerplate. Now I will put HTML audios as the heading, and in the body I will put an H1, and in H1 I will put HTML audios. Now I will put a audio tag. Okay, so as you can see, the SRC is here. So I have 3 audios, all of 3 types in my download folder. So you must be seeing that these 3 are of the same type, but you can see OGG file, MP3 file, and WAV file. I will copy these 3 and paste it in our web design tutorial. I will make a folder named audio. Okay, and I will put these audios there. Now I will go on VS Code. Now here I will put in the SRC slash you must see this audio slash and the thing we will put. So all of those were of the horse sound. So there are now 3 formats available: MP3, OGG, and WAV. I will first choose MP3. I will save it. Now you will remove it, as the right thing you should use is the source one. In the source you will put the SRC and then save it. Then I will go live. I'm just showing you see, it is not working, as we will write the controls and all the attributes here. If I will write controls, so now it will display these: a play button, the timing, so play and pause button, volume button, and this download all. And this is also there, so you can check it. So I will play it. So the horse noise was coming. I will play it again. So as you all heard the noise, so this is our audio. So it is now inserted. So let me tell you another thing, that the same happens with audio and images and videos. So like in the images it happened that they were not technically inserted. The images were not technically inserted, but the browser made space for them to just show them, to just give the output. If we go in our code, nothing we will see, but when we see the output, there is some space displayed and in which are images there. So it was not technically inserting, but it was just displaying it. The same is happening with it. It is not technically inserting the audio here, but it is displaying the audio here. If I will remove the audio from the folder, then it will put an error, as it, if it would be technically inserted, then it will not be putting an error. I will play it again for you. So it was playing till 1 second, as the audio is of 1 second only. So as you saw, this was of the audio controls. I will put a comment for you. Audio controls attribute. I will make it a comment. Okay, then I will also put mp3. Okay, mp3 is the file format. Then I will put another audio one. Okay, you just don't put this src here. You can check it why don't we put on the browser. So like it is the current format you should do. So now I will put an controls here again, controls. Okay, I will put a source, and as you can see, the easiest way is this src, and all the media type are coming. So there are more attributes in source. You just not need to notice them. You can check if you want to gain more knowledge, then you can check on the browser. I am just putting the source src. So as you saw, the type also came, but here we didn't wrote the type, so I forgot to wrote it. It is compulsory to wrote the type. So I will put audio / mpeg. Okay, I will save it. As you can see, another audio is displayed here, but it is not working. So this is displayed with this. Okay, as we don't have an src, it is not displaying it. If I will put /audio and then now I will put an OGG file. I will put OGG. I will. Okay, now I have commented it. Now if I will put here anything else, audio /mpeg, I will save it. Then it will also work, as it is all already displaying the src. But if you want to write in the correct manner and the correct code, you will always display OGG and write it here. So this is the correct syntax of it. Now the same audio was here, so it is also played. Okay, now I will put another one, or I will just duplicate it. Okay, I will now put here wave. I will now edit this and this also. I will save it, and as you can see, the third one is also displayed here. So okay, so this one is a different one. I have changed it. So all the three formats worked. Okay, I will put some space between these. Okay, I will also put BR, and here I will leave some space. Okay, just it looks neat. I will do like it, but if you want, then you can do it like here. It is just playing very neatly. So now I will tell you about more attributes by again going on the PowerPoint presentation. The second attribute is autoplay. So it specifies that the audio will start playing as soon as it is ready. So here is the example of it. The autoplay attribute is a boolean attribute. It will also give the output as true and false. The second one is when present, the audio will automatically start playing as soon as it can do so without stopping. An audio file that will automatically start playing, as you know. So in this, what will happen? It will automatically start playing. If I do autoplay here, I will save it, and As soon as I went here, it started playing. So this is the thing of autoplay. I will make another one for it separately. I will put another BR here. Now I will put audio. I will remove this SRC. I put the source SRC, and here is the type also, audio slash or mp3. So this is of the mp3 one, audio slash mp3. I will no sorry mpg, or you can also write as mp3. It is not displaying, as we have to also write controls and autoplay for autoplaying and these controls. So I will show it to you again. So as soon as I went control shift, as soon as I will refresh it, it will not start playing as I don't know why. But as soon as I wrote it, auto play control S, as you can see, it played in the background, but not when we go there. It happened because it gave no pause there, and when we let me show you this audio file here also. So this is the audio file, okay. So now it happened because as soon as we wrote this code and saved it, so when we save it and it is already running, it will show the output, okay. If I will autoplay and I will dispose the live server, I will save it. I will go here, and when I will open this file, wait, let me open. It will not open. I don't know why it is showing an error to me. I will fix it. What is the error here? Everything is fine. Let me again go. I don't know what is the problem. So I will figure it out. So you can check it. It will work for you. So as soon as I will add the code there. So if I will save it, now it worked. Okay. So it is working. Now this was of the autoplay and it was of mp3. I don't think I have to tell you about this wave and OGG. They both are same. They all are same, but just the format is just different. I will put the format in here. Let me write the code here. So for you to see it, I will type here OGG. I will save it. As soon as I saved it, all three audios were played. Okay, so this was of autoplay, that as soon as it will access the file, it will autoplay. Okay, understood? Now I will go on loop attribute. It specifies that the audio will start over again and again every time when it is completed. So in the loop attribute, what will happen, that it will start again and again. It will continue a very long loop, forever loop, like for loop, forever loop, infinite loop, that will never stop if we will not stop the code. So I will show you on the VS Code. Let me zoom it. Yes, this one. Now I will wait. I have to also write this audio autoplay, and then I will write that. Now I will put 2 BRs, and then I will put audio. No, I will just copy it. Okay, I will make the changes here. Instead of autoplay, I will put controls and loop. You know what will happen? Wait, let me change it to mp3, or let me leave it to wave. I will save it. It is running for, it ran for every time. Like, I ran it, it is again running. I played the audio, it will run forever till we stop it. Okay, so this was the controls loop attribute. I will copy this and then paste it. Okay, now I will put space here, mp3, mp3. I will again put here mp3. So this is a very boring thing, I know, to again and again type the same thing, but what we can do is to not say it like boring. I will put here audio loop attribute here. Okay, I will comment it. So these are our 3 attributes I've told you. I will put wait audio loop attribute. I will copy it. I will paste it above it. I will write here auto play. Here I will write control. So I have saved it. So it would also run as I told you. I have to put some BRs here to make some space in between them. BR and here again BR and here again 2 BRs. Okay, now I will tell you about this muted attribute. So it will display the output audio as muted. So the audio will be muted. So if we play it, there will be no sound. Okay, let me put an H2 or audio muted. I'll do it again. I will remove this H2. I will put here muted. I'll comment it. Now I will put audio. First let me save it. Whenever I save it, it makes that sound. I will copy this again and paste it here again. I pasted it. So now I will do here muted. Okay, so it will be now muted, as you know. I will then okay, I will do some spacing here. BR and again here a BR, and here I will do muted and muted. I will save it. So here are all our audios. So they will be default muted here. So you have to unmute them. So the default one will be muted. If you want to put noise to them, then you will have to unmute them. Okay, got it? I will show these all as they are all muted. Now I will go to this preload attribute. So it will specify the author view to upload audio file when the page loads. So in this, let me tell you what will happen. So we will define that how much time should be that given to it when the page loads and the user goes on it. So let me tell you what will happen. So if we type preload attribute and equal to none, when we will load it, like here it is coming 0, I will refresh it once and then 0 out of 0, minute 0 second and slash 0 minute 0 1 second. It will load as 0 minute 00 slash 0 minute 00. You know why? As we will put the preload attribute, so it will change this all. Let as I am telling you, so it will change it, and the attribute will be providing the hint, and it will be ignored in some things. Okay, so now let me show you the first this one. I will copy this whole now. Okay, now I will put it here. I will change it to preload. I will also change it to preload. And now I will put alt. I will now change them to preload and none. Okay, I will save it. As you can see, it is coming 0 out of 0. If I will play it, then it will be 0 out of 1. So this is the preload one. Okay, this was the preload example. I have also to change it. Let me change ease. OGG. Oh no, I did a mistake, sorry. I forgot to change these ones. So I will change them MP3. I will come here and do it as MPEG. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I have to do it and make you stop. Okay, now I will do it as OGG and I will save it. Now these are all different types of formats. Okay, these are all different types of formats, as you can see. I have to again, sorry, I have done a mistake here also. Now all my file is, as you saw that it showed an error here. No, sorry, it is fine. Now I will go on the next one. If you are not understanding it, you can comment it. I will tell you what is your doubt and how to solve it, and then you can learn it on from Google also, or browse or different browsers also like Yahoo and different search engines or Firefox and other things, so you can learn from them. Now let me tell you about the SRC. I know you must have been got the SRC one. Okay, so let me show you the SRC audio here. This is on W3 schools. So this was happening like that only. I told you that I will tell you about it. I will also make a slide for it and then I will tell you. Okay, so this is the same thing happening, but without this one, without this source one. It is happening like that only. Will it be easy? Yes, of course it will be easy for us. I will again copy this whole. Okay, I will take this BRs also. Okay, now I will put audio SRC. So this was the main thing I wanted to tell you, that you can also put the SRC here. So you will all cut it and then go above and paste it. You will remove this one. So you don't need to write this for for most of the things, but if you want to write, then you can write this. It's just the text that will tell the person, if he's seeing the code, that the browser is not supporting this audio tag. So all browsers support mostly. So this is the easy way. easiest way of putting the SRC here. Okay, so you can do it just like this only. So this will be very easy for you, and you will also do the coding in very less time here. So as I have done it, I will save it again these house as well. Now it is running. The code is running and the audio is playing. The thing we wanted to do is done. So this was the main thing that we wanted to do. So now we have done all about the attributes. Now here, if we want to insert from a URL, we can also do it. Like I will go here, as you can see. So you can also do it as this. It will obviously not run. I will just show it. Okay, now this it will show an error as there is no file name like this. Okay, so our audio tutorial is not ending here. I want to tell you one more thing. If you know a URL of something that, let me tell you, I will make it a URL. I will go here. Here is my first video. I will share, copy the link. I have many softwares I know to convert it as audio. I will go here and then audio option will also come here. So if I will open this link, I hope it not downloads it here. Let me leave this. I will tell you audio files. Audio files. Download I will do. So here as you can see I typed it and this one I will go play it. Okay, so let me check this, inspect and then check the audio which this as person has used. Okay, now here I think there should be an audio tag that will tell you about all of this. Here I think it should be. I don't know where should I find it, but I don't know where is this link. Okay, I will check it again. So you can also do it also with the URL. If you press download, it will download it. Okay, so it is this one. Let me check it. So leave it. So you can also do it with the audio. I will show you it. You can see from my website. I will post these audios and you can copy the link and paste them in your code and then check that if it is working or not. So our lesson is ending here today. Thanks for watching it. And before ending, I would say to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment below it. Also access my lessons on my website and you can check out all the videos I have put in my playlist here, 11 videos. I also have more playlists. So let's start. 1 second, playlists, and here I have 3 playlists here. So you can also see this web designing in Hindi. I will post more videos in it. And also here I have 11 videos in this, which are of my web designing in English. Okay, so thank you for watching it. Bye, see you next time.